Hey guys, in this video I will be show you how to add overlay a black screen onto a video in CapCut. So select your video and go to library and select this black screen template so you can adjust for the duration until the end of the video. And you can select a model plane, just select overlay. So just for the opacity like so, and I think I am going to make it shorter and just copy paste and make it a cap like so. Here we go. So that's like place, I think. Yeah, it's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you.